let's take a look at some of the features and functions on the machine. So we've got 3 processors that we can select. We've got MMA, lift TIG and spot TIG. We'll concentrate on the MMA for today. So within MMA, we can run the machine either in manual mode, which is where we would set all of the parameters ourselves, or we can run it in Synergic mode. In Synergic, we can tell the machine what type of rod we're welding with. This allows the machine to give us some starting settings to work from, and then we can tweak it to our own preference. So the way that this works, we're in the Synergic mode. We're going to tell the machine the diameter of rod, in this case a 3.2. We're then going to set the starting current as a percentage for the hot start. This just allows us to have a smoother arc strike. We can then set this time in seconds, and we can also set the arc force setting. From there, the machine will give us an amperage window. So this means that depending on the type of rod that we've told the machine we're welding with, we can go too low or too high.
Voestalpine, one step ahead.